So I got some numbers with me in the table, and let me just check what we are getting, and at which point our negative is becoming a positive profit. Because if I remember, initially my profit was coming out to be negative. So if I see this particular point is actually showing me this net profit is minus 500. But when I come to the volume of production of 3, in this case, it is giving me the positive profit. So let me just highlight that, and this is how we calculate the break-even point. We can easily calculate the break-even point with the help of that formula as well, which was nothing but I will simply write it over here. So break-even point is equal to fixed cost, which is 2000, divided by sale price, which is 750, minus variable cost, which is 500. If I just close that in the bracket, wait, I will actually get 8 as the answer over here. Wait. Variable cost. See, we did a mistake over here. I was supposed to write B4 over here, and I have written this over here. And now I will drag this down. Let me now check where we are getting that conversion from negative to a positive number. So if I see, yes, this is what we got, right? So you can very clearly see that at the 8th level of volume of production, I'm getting this net profit as 0. At least it is not negative. So that is what we want. So break-even point will actually tell you that level wherein your loss is being converted into some profit, or at least at that point which is equating your profit by your losses or by your cost. Because as long as we are not generating any profit, this 2000 is our loss. 715, 1750 is a loss. 1500 is a loss. That is why it is showing this net profit as the negative number, right? So that is how we got uh, doing this to actually find out the break-even point that we can generate that. But please be clear about small mistakes that we may do in writing the right cell number, right cell address, and you get the right answer there and then. And I have also used this formula to calculate the break-even point, which is matching with the table which I've just made. And this formula was nothing but the fixed cost divided by your selling price minus your variable cost. So the fixed cost was 2000, selling price was 750, and the variable cost was 500. So we get the answer as 8 unit. That means when I make 8 unit, that is the point when I will have at least break even. That is the point which is equating the output by the input. And when I start making 9 unit, 10 units, from there onwards, my profit will start becoming positive. So from 0, it has become 250, 500, 750, and so on. So that is how any entrepreneur can actually do this analysis to find out the number of units that he has to make so that his cost will be equal to the profit in the company. And often, because please remember, break-even point is also the just the it actually shows the quantity that we have to actually make so that our profit will be equal to the cost that we have incurred in making that product. Right. So that was all for the day. I think it's pretty clear to everybody. And you have any doubt, do ask, do leave the comment, and we'll be back with more topics in the different areas. Thank you so much.